Hello and welcome to WRGUITAR. I'm Will Russell, and in this tutorial today I'm going to be teaching you the nice and simple Road Tripper riff by the Beatles. This is a wicked tune, it's going to get your fingers working and it's great fun to play. So without further ado, let's get learning. So here is a super easy tutorial that you can use to learn the main intro riff from Day Tripper by the Beatles. So starting with this E string then, we're going to jump in with a low E. With our second finger we're going to go to the 3rd fret of the E. And with our 3rd finger we're going to go to the 4th fret of the E. So that's 0, 3, 4. We're then going to do an open A. We're then going to do a 2nd fret A with our 1st finger, and we're going to roll it down to the 2nd fret on the D with our 1st finger. So here we go. We'll then play an open D string, and with our 1st finger we're going to travel to the 2nd fret of the A, and our 3rd finger is going to travel to the 4th fret of the D. So we've got O, 3, 4, 2 on the A, 2 on the D, open D, 2nd fret A, 4th fret D. We're then going to go to the 2nd fret of the A, open D, and finish on the 2nd fret of the D. And there we have it. There we have it, that was Road Tripper by the Beatles. I really hope you've enjoyed this tutorial today. If you've got any questions or suggestions for me, then whack them in that comment box below. Make sure you subscribe to WRGUITAR if you like what I'm doing in this tutorial, because I've got a ton more tutorials on my channel, and every week I upload a new tutorial that you will get alerted to if you click that bell as well. So until next time, practice hard and I'll see you soon.